there, it's English teacher Linda G with another holiday song. Santa Claus is coming to town. I'm sure you've heard it before. So this song was written in 1934, wow, almost 100 years ago, by John Frederick Coots. He wrote the music, and Haven Gillespie wrote the lyrics, the words. Now, the song itself debuted on Eddie Cantor's radio show in November 1934 and quickly became a massive hit with over 30,000 copies of sheet music sold the next day and millions of records sold within weeks. So there might be some new words there for you, records and sheet music. So the song introduces children to the idea that Santa Claus is watching their behavior all year round, reinforcing, of course, the classic naughty or nice theme of Christmas. Its cheerful lyrics and upbeat tempo make it a very popular tune, make it a light-hearted way to encourage good behavior during the holiday season. And it goes like this. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees when you are sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, sing it with me. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, bow, bow. Santa Claus is coming to town. One more time. Santa Claus is coming to town. I always like to have fun with Christmas music and holiday music. It's a lot of fun, isn't it? All right, one more song. Stay tuned for the next song.